Hey, here's my recipe for a delicious avocado toast. Start with some kale and sliced mushrooms and finely chopped garlic. In a pot, add some oil and the mushrooms along with the garlic. Cook for a few minutes. Add a pinch of salt. When it's soft, add some baby kale. Cook it together for a few more minutes until the kale leaves are all soft. On the side, mix some miso sauce with water and pour it in. Then on a flatbread that's been warmed up on a pan along with some herbs, add the avocado hummus. Then top it up with the mushroom kale mix, garnish, and enjoy for a yummy breakfast.